Well, today I'm going to fry some corn. So I've started out with just a couple slices of bacon and a little bit of garlic in there with that, and also a little bit of chopped onion. And so we'll let this kind of saute down a little bit and get the bacon kind of crisp, and then we'll add our sweet corn to it. All right, well, we got that bacon kind of simmered down there and sauteed up a little bit. I added my sweet corn to it, and so I'm just going to add a little bit of SPG to this for a little flavoring, and we're going to let this thing simmer down there a little bit more and cook up, fry the moisture out of this corn. So we'll let this go a little bit longer here, and I'll come back here in just a minute and show you what this looks like. All right, that continued to cook down there a little bit, and I've decided, since I'll probably be the only one eating this today, corn's kind of bad for my wife, so I'm gonna add a little slap your mama on that and get a little flavor to that. So anyway, we'll get all this together here, let her just continue to cook down, and fry it up. We'll have some fried corn in a minute. I'm about to cook all the moisture out of that. Oh, that looks good, don't it? All right. Well, this was inspired by a friend of mine named Barry Joe here on YouTube. So here's to you, Barry Joe. I'm gonna get this plated up here and let it cool a little bit, and I'm gonna try it out. I'll be back in just a minute. Well, all right, folks, we've got her all in a bowl here, and I've even got me some corn fritter here that I've made. If you hadn't seen our video about corn fritters, I'll leave that up here in the card section, or leave a link down in the description box. But anyway, here's what we've got. We took some a couple strips of bacon and chopped those up into small pieces and started frying that. Add a little bacon grease to it. Put a little garlic in there, about a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic, and just a couple slices of white onion, yellow onion actually. Started sauteing that, and we added a little SPG and a little onion powder to it. And then we also added a little slap your mama to it. So we just took and fried that up real good. You can see how that looks. That's got a good color to it. And so we're gonna give this a taste and see what it's like. Good old homegrown sweet corn, man. Wow. I didn't raise it, but I had some give to me. But anyway, like I said, this was inspired by a friend of mine named Barry Joe. So Barry Joe, there you go, man. I made it. I made you dish, brother, and it's good. I like it. And we're gonna eat this. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna eat this whole bowl, brother. Corn fritter, heated up with a little butter on it. Wow. That's country eating right there. We'll see y'all. If you guys like what we're doing, we appreciate you leaving us a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just hit that subscribe button down there, or when you see my face pop up here, click on it. That'll help you subscribe. You also will see some other videos that'll pop up beside of me. One of them's just right for you, and another one's one of our latest videos. Hey, you guys have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll be talking to you again soon. Have a good day.